In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Lili customer support using the various channels available, such as phone, chat, and email. If you find yourself needing assistance from Lili, whether it's resolving an issue or simply asking a question, knowing the right way to reach their customer support team can save you both time and frustration. First, you'll want to head to Lili's official website. Since this is the primary hub for all things related to Lili, it's the best starting point for accessing support services. Once there, cast your eyes towards the lower right corner of the screen. You should notice a Need Help feature. This is where you can engage with Lili's chatbot or AI assistant, which is designed to swiftly tackle common questions and concerns. It's an efficient way to get immediate responses without the wait. Simply click to launch the chat interface and you're ready to type in your questions. While the chatbot is handy for quick queries, you might need more detailed assistance. For more support options, hover your cursor over the Resources tab, usually located at the top navigation menu. This is where you can find various helpful links and information. In the drop-down list that appears, look for and click on the Help Center. The Help Center is an important resource, often containing answers to frequently asked questions, troubleshooting tips, and guides that might just solve your issue directly without further contact. As you navigate through the Help Center, scroll down the page until you discover the Contact Customer Service section. Here you'll find the direct contacts for Lili's support team. It's efficient to have this information at hand for when you need to escalate your issue or require personalized assistance. Once you've located it, you'll see their customer service hotline and email address. Make sure to take note of the days and hours they are available to ensure your inquiry meets a timely response. This is crucial as reaching out during their operating hours can make all the difference in getting a quick resolution. Using the hotline allows for a more personal touch, as you'll be able to speak directly with the customer service representative who can provide real-time assistance. On the other hand, emailing might be suitable for non-urgent issues or when you need to attach documents related to your inquiry. And there you have it. With these steps, you will know exactly how to get in touch with Lili's customer support, whether you need help doing something related to your account, answering questions, or handling any issues that may arise. Knowing how to reach out effectively ensures that you can handle any problems with confidence and efficiency.